What's going on, everybody? My name is Dallas Pruitt, and welcome to the Growthcast. Today, I've titled today's episode, 3 Questions That Will Change Your Life. Now, better questions produce better results, and oftentimes, a lot of the answers we seek, we're just not going about it the right way. We're not reflecting at a high enough level, and we're not being real with ourselves. Now, what I want to do today is I want to weaponize you with 3 very specific questions that, again, do have the potential to change your life and change your trajectory. The key here in asking these questions is taking the quality time to address them with realness. Being real with yourself, being honest with yourself is crucial for growing and becoming the best version of you. And so without further ado, let's address these 3 specific questions today on the drip. Question number 1, who do you spend your time with? Look, it's not just people. It's what you read, your thoughts, and what you think about. Your surroundings, they matter. And who you spend your time with will tell you a lot about who you are. So the question to stop and address and think about at a high level today is who are you spending your time with? Again, not just people, books, podcasts, your thoughts, all of it. Your surroundings matter. Question number 2, what does your ideal day look like? Look, most people have really big goals for the future. That's not rare. That's good. But what is a little more rare and what's better is to know what your perfect day looks like. Spend a lot of time addressing that. That way, as things pop up, you can ask and notice and be able to make a better choice in regards to, is this going to get me, whatever this is that's popped up, is it going to get me closer to my ideal state, or is it going to get me further away? Less time focusing on the big goals of the future, more time focusing on what your perfect day, your ideal day looks like. And then question number 3, is that who you want to be? Look around you. Specifically, look at the people further along the path at your company, in your field. Are these people, are they the ones you want to be? If the answer is yes, then you know what to do. Keep chipping away. If the answer is no, you might want to find a different company. You might want to find a different field. Again, look to the people further down the path, those you look up to or looking to for guidance and direction, aspiration, inspiration. And ask the question, is that who you want to be? All right, everybody, these 3 questions have the potential to change the trajectory of your life for the better forever, if you're willing to address them head on. These are just 3 prime examples of many better questions that we can and should be asking ourselves if we truly want better results and want to become our best. Better questions produce better results. Have a great day, everybody, and we'll see you guys back here on the drip tomorrow.